In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to compute the volume of a depression in an InRoads surface. If I display the triangles of my surface, I have created just a planar surface here, and I added some feature points in there that would create some depressions. If you rotate the view, you can see, it's a little bit hard, but you can see that I do have a few depressions in here. So it's going to be the volume of these depressions that I want to compute. So let me go ahead and move back into a top view here, and I'm going to delete the triangles. So instead, what I want to do is view the contours for the surface. And on the main tab here, I want to view both the major and the minor contours, as well as the major and the minor depression contours. And it's these depression contours that I'm actually interested in. So what I want to do is just take a quick look here by double-clicking at the symbology, because I want to make sure that the symbology for the minor contours is different than the symbology for the major contours. So my majors are showing up in green and a blue, and then I have my minor contours, they will show up in red. I'm sorry, my minor and major depression contours. I'm going to put that at a pretty tight interval here of 1 so that I can get accurate results. I'll click apply, and when I do that, you can easily see the areas here where I have the depressions in the surface. So unfortunately, you will have to compute the volumes of these individually. There is not a command that will compute all the volumes of these at the same time. But it's very simple to do. We're going to use a tool that's located in Evaluation, Hydrology, and Hydraulics. If you don't have these available, you'll need to go into Tools, Application Add-ins, and make sure that you have the Hydrology and Hydraulics add-in toggled on. Once you do that, you should have those commands available in Evaluation, Hydrology, and Hydraulics. The command that we want to use is compute pond volumes. So the name of my surface here is test. We'll set the method to single, and we'll go out and select northing easting for a point inside the depression. And then we want to set the water elevation, and to do that, I'm just going to snap to this contour and notice that it's at elevation 526. So I'll key in 526, and when I click apply, you can see that the volume of 6908.8 is reported.